Words let you describe the world. Today, 50 essential Spanish words. Colors, body parts, objects, adjectives, and a grammar rule that ties them all together. Colors, Section 1. Los colores. English first, Spanish twice. Repeat after me. Red, rojo, rojo. Blue, azul, azul. Green, verde, verde. Yellow, amarillo. White, blanco. Black, negro. Orange, naranja. Pink, rosa. Purple, morado. Brown, marrón. Gender agreement important rule. Spanish adjectives must agree with the noun's gender. The car, el coche, is masculine, so red becomes rojo. The apple, la manzana, is feminine, so red becomes roja. Masculine adjectives end in O. Feminine adjectives end in A. Remember this, it applies to everything in this lesson. Body parts. Section 2. El cuerpo, head, cabeza, eye, ojo, ear, oreja, nose, nariz, mouth, boca, hand, mano, foot, pie, stomach, estómago, heart, corazón, hair, pelo. Objects. Section 3. Everyday objects. House, casa, room, habitación, table, mesa, chair, silla, book, libro, water, agua, food, comida, phone, móvil. Adjectives. Section 4. Los adjetivos. Remember gender. Big, grande, same both. Small, pequeño or pequeña. Good, bueno or buena. Bad, malo or mala. New, nuevo or nueva. Beautiful, bonito or bonita. Full sentences. Mi casa es grande y blanca. My house is big and white. Este libro es interesante. This book is interesting. El agua está fría. The water is cold. Weekend challenge. Describe your room. Describe your room in Spanish. 3 words. Color plus size plus 1 object. Mi habitación es underscore underscore color. Hay una underscore underscore object. Es underscore underscore adjective. Comment and I reply with 3 bonus words. 2 full weeks complete. 8 lessons, 2 languages. Hindi at 2 begins. Present tense verbs. Subscribe. Adios.